The seventh place goes to the Central Point, Carmona Elementary School, Cavite, Region 4, Calabarzon. Sixth place goes to BES Torch, Binyan Elementary School, Division of Laguna, Region 4, Calabarzon. The Hosenian fifth place goes to the Hosenian Torch, San Jose Central Elementary School, Division of Dinagat, Region Caraga. Fourth place goes to Spectrum, GSC Test Integrated School, General Santos City Division, Region 12. The third place goes to the Graders, the Assumption College of Nabunturan Elementary Department, Compostela Valley, Region 11. The second place goes to the Campus Express, Butuan Central Elementary School, Division of Butuan City, Region